Hello everyone, today we gonna learn how to add a photo in Canva. Sign in to your Canva account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Canva homepage. Click on the Create a Design button in the top right corner. This will open the design editor. In the design editor, you'll see a search bar on the left side of the screen. Type in keywords related to the type of photo you want to add, example, nature. And press enter. Canva will display a variety of photo options based on your search. Browse through the results and click on the photo you want to use. The selected photo will be added to your design. Once the photo is added, you can resize and reposition it by clicking on it and dragging the corner handles or using the toolbar at the top of the editor to adjust the dimensions. You can also copy images from Google too. And can paste on Canva directly. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.